I wanted to make a short video showing how I routed my shifter cable into my SRAM NX rear derailleur. This is something I've swapped out from SRAM X5 to the SRAM NX so I can run taller gears, low-end gears. And now I have an 11 speed instead of a 9 speed, 1x11. But you can see where the cable goes into this pulley, routes around the pulley, around this bracket through a hole, and down around a cam, and underneath a washer where the bolt pinches it down. It took me a while to figure this out, because I didn't see any instructions or videos online showing me how to route it. I'll show you. Take it off. There's a groove underneath the washer now, which I didn't have on my old setup, and I hadn't seen before. All I've had is older model derailleurs. And here you can see there's a groove that guides the cable. And that's all there is to it.